When we first got our Hogstrite Neoscopes, we opted for the LED option. In the METIS, this is an LED-based platform, not an option. If surgeons recall, when we were on halogen, xenon, or tungsten bulbs, these bulbs would blow out, sometimes in the middle of surgery. We had to stop surgery, open part of the microscope, and rotate to our backup bulb. Additionally, the bulbs were expensive and had to be changed on a regular basis. My LED lights have thousands of hours on them. They do not need to be changed. They'll last the lifetime of the scope. Furthermore, you can change the color temperature in an LED scope. This is going to highlight different things during surgery, from warm or cold colors, variability and options for a surgeon and what colors they like, what intensity of light they like, and the confidence that your light source is going to last you for thousands and thousands of hours in surgery. So the LEDs here are not an afterthought. They were designed carefully, thoughtfully. A lot of effort went into making a high quality, long lasting LED with a very high CRI. This is going to give you better imaging during surgery and colors like you didn't know existed when you were operating with older scopes.